Hey guys, Simon here from Wild Earth, coming to you from the Canadian Rockies in a lovely -20 this morning. But today I want to talk to you about the Mammut avalanche gear. So the first thing to mention is that this video is not a how-to video, but I will be talking about some of the features of the transceiver and the other equipment. As with any emergency equipment or safety equipment, you really need to know how to use it before you need to use it. So be sure to check out your local avalanche safety training centres or go out with a guide and really become comfortable with the equipment before you head out into the backcountry with it. So this Baravox transceiver has really become the industry standard over the last couple of years, and that's partly due to its 3 antennae. Older transceivers would often only have 2, but this has 3 antennas, meaning you're going to get a reading going forward and back, up and down, and left and right in a full 3 dimensions. So it's more accurate when you're trying to search. Another couple of features I really like about this transceiver as well is its functionality and its use. All the buttons on this transceiver are really easy to use with your gloves on, and switching between send and search is impossible to do accidentally. You can switch it into send, which is what you'd have it on most of the time, but then to switch it into search you actually need to push down on this lock button and then push it across. So there's no way you can accidentally knock it into search when it should be on send, and that's not going to happen if you do get caught in an avalanche. Really easy to operate with gloves on as well. Another function that works really well on this device is the flagging function. So if you have multiple burials or multiple people you need to search for, once you've marked one off with your pole, you can then flag it. So you'll stop picking up that signal and then you can continue your search to the other burials. Thirdly, another great safety feature of this device, if you're on search but you don't move for 4 minutes, it will automatically switch you back to send. This is in case if you are in avalanche terrain and you're trying to search for somebody and then a second slide catches you. You won't be stuck on search where other people won't be able to find you. It will switch back to sending that signal so that other people in the group can come and find you. So it's a good peace of mind to have that function built into that as well. The quality of the screen and the interface of this transceiver is also a huge plus. The screen is backlit, making it incredibly easy to read in all conditions. It also produces multiple different graphics as you go through your search process, reminding you of the best way or the best patterns to take to make the search more accurate. So it's a great visual prompt once you've gone through the training to learn how to use it. It also comes with this great plastic harness. This helps protect the transceiver, and it goes in there screen facing the body to protect the screen and then clips in just like that. This is then worn over the shoulder with a strap that comes around the body and clips in. You'd actually wear this underneath your jacket in most circumstances, but it's too cold for me to take it off and show you. But super comfortable. I wear this all day and barely notice that it's there. Another couple vital pieces of equipment if you are going into the backcountry is a probe and a shovel. These work alongside the transceiver, and without these, the transceiver isn't really all that useful. There's a few different options you can get in regards to probes from Wild Earth, as well as shovels. I've gone for one of Mammut's lightest options, and they're 240 centimetre probe. The length of your probe is really going to be dictated by where you're going, the snow depth, and what you think you might be using it for. You can get longer ones and you can get lighter ones. Firstly, the shovel. The shovel is extendable and then locks out. It's also detachable. So you can take it apart, slide it down, fit it nicely in your bag, and then rebuild it. One great function here as well is just the way this metal's bent out on the shovel here, is that I can actually push this in without having to press this button down. Just makes it nice and easy to put it together. As for the probe, super easy to put these things together. You'll see on the end you have an orange tab. You pull that off and this is all connected by one long piece of string. You can throw it out downhill and literally just pull this, and then you'll hear it lock out, and then it stays like that until you need to break it down and pack it away into your bag. I've been really impressed with this avalanche kit from Mammut. Just using it over the last couple of months, it really is super easy to use, and it's an invaluable piece of my backcountry kit. So be sure to go and see the guys at Wild Earth if you are planning to get yourself into the backcountry this winter, or into the mountains, or doing any form of mountaineering. It's a piece of kit you 100% need to have with you and need to know how to use. But that's it from me today. I'm going to go inside and try and warm up before my nose falls off. But let's see you soon.